Untitled Jeff here, Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines. Day 18 of renovations at the house, and we're hanging some steel here for the garage. These guys fabricated these joists, and they're putting on the, well, I don't know the names. These runners and joists. So they're making all this out of pieces, and should be nice and strong. So this is their small welder that they're using, and I think maybe they'll get that done tomorrow. So we're working on this over here. I'm not sure what's going on here, but we're getting ready to put some cement up on this wall here. This is where the terrace is. This is the terrace floor, and there was a piece of rotten wood right there. So we're taking that out, put in some fresh wood, and adding some cement. I think maybe to shore that up. There's Eduardo here painting. We're starting to paint the concrete walls, fence, perimeter fence. And what else? The chicken came off the nest yesterday, and it looked like one of the eggs had tried to hatch. I don't know. Uh-oh, she's getting all nasty with me now. I don't see anything. She's gotten all these eggs rolled all the way out to the front of the nest. So I don't know what's going on in there. But she needs some fresh water. I'll get that in a minute. So, let's go inside, and you can see Glenn is at work in here. Let's put up some track lighting in here in the dirty kitchen, and he's getting ready to wire that up, put in a switch and an extra outlet in here, and he's going to put an outlet right there for this fan, which is going to be mounted up there on that wall instead of where it is right now. It's kind of rigged up. Good morning, Glenn. Say hello.
Hi. Hi.
I'm going to come behind you real quick. And yesterday, Glenn installed our ceiling fans. So everything is painted in here in the kitchen, the dining room, well, except for these cabinets under the sink here. But all the walls and ceilings are painted. And we've got the ceiling fan in there. Got another ceiling fan over here. We'll turn that on. And we got some other lighting, extra lighting there in the corners. So it looks really nice. The fan feels really good. I'm going to turn all that off. And there's our dining area, our china hutch, refrigerator. Starting to come together and look really nice in here. We've got a few other plans we'll show you as we go on. We added an outlet here, three plugs. And I think right here we're going to have, in this little corner, we're going to have a water cooler for those big jugs of water that we use. I'll show you those, like you see in the office. Big blue water jugs like this. So that's how we get our drinking water now. Each one of those is 25 pesos, or 50 cents. So we're going to buy a little dispenser that makes hot and cold water to put in there in the dining area. And you can see we got our furniture in here. It's not arranged the way it was at the, of course it's moved around a little bit now because they're working. It's not arranged the way it was at the showroom, but we had to have the TV on this wall. It had to go there. You just can't put the TV anywhere else. It has to go on the wall. So we're going to arrange it that way so we can have the TV on the wall. All right. So that's day 18. I missed day 17. Didn't make a video for day 17. I had to go to marriage counseling yesterday at the church, St. Peter's and Paul Catholic Church in Ormoc City. I took Marisol there. She went to see about it, and I didn't know what was happening. Didn't know I was going in for that. and it lasted from 8:30 till 11, and then from 1:30 till 4. So I didn't get to do much, and I didn't feel good. Running a little fever. I think I got a little urinary tract infection, and so I wasn't feeling good. So now we got air con in here in the bedroom. Feels really good in here, and I'm assembling a vanity for Maricel. We bought her a vanity so she can put on her makeup and take care of her beautiful self because she deserves it. That's it, day 18. Renovations in Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines. Tito Jeff here. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.